Homework 1. Efficiency 2. Installation 3. Generation 4. Application 5. Orientation 6. Technology 7. Innovation 8. Reliability 9. Residential 10. Designation 1. Efficiency Sentence Solar panel improve energy efficiency. 2. Installation Sentence The installation of solar panel is fast. 3. Generation Sentence This system support electricity generation. 4. Application Sentence Solar energy have many applications. 5. Orientation Sentence The, par- the panel needs the right orientation. 6. Technology Sentence New technology makes solar power better. 7. Innovation Sentence Innovation drives the solar industry. 8. Reliability Sentence Good reliability is important for energy system. 9. Residential Sentence Residential access to solar panel. 10. Designation Sentence This area has special designation for solar use.